Have you ever been overwhelmed by emotions such as anxiety, fear, and frustration? I certainly have, and sometimes I still am. But nowadays, I have tools to overcome these emotions, to write anything I want. When I was an early writer, I got really frustrated by the superficial talk about mental strength and motivation. Just ride, they said. Just relax, they said. Just look ahead and you'll be fine. All of this was well-intentioned, but not very helpful advice. So I studied to become a graduate mental trainer and a psychological counselor, and really started to dig into the psychology of emotions. And I developed the Courage and Confidence Booster, where I will share all this knowledge in really practical tools with you. In this course, you will learn easy yet very effective and practical tools to become more courageous, let go of your mental blocks, resolve negative emotions, and gain confidence on the bike and in life. Control your mind or it will control you. Start now.